What's up guys, my name is Darshan. Today back with another video. So as you guys know, I've not been uploading for a long time because I've not been feeling well recently and due to many exams and so on. So today we are going to be making a model of a sword right here. For that we'll need some foil like this and some pliers. I need the pliers because I need to make it sharp and more thin and stable like a sword. So there's this thing that might happen or not happen in my life, and that thing is something that's going to change my life forever. So if that thing happens, I'll announce it on this channel. If it doesn't, then let's stay off. So let's get started with this craft item. So to make the sword, we'll do like this. We'll fold it like this. We'll do like this. Roll it. We'll do like this. We'll do it so that we can make the sword more harder and stable. It will won't bend like any other stuff. So I made like this. Now what you will do is we'll make the handle and the other stuff right now. So now we'll use from here. This will be a part of the blade and this will be the handle. So we'll just adjust the blade over here. We'll make it sharp over here like that. Now we will add a handle over here. Yeah. So to make the grip thing here, I'll need some more foil right now, and I'll take that foil and come back in a moment. So I've taken the foil right here. It's a small piece of foil. I'll put it right here. Just cover it like this. Like this here and yes. So we've done the handle of the sword like this. So this is the basic shape of the sword. This is gonna how it be. So now let's make the blade actually better. So right here we'll just compress it like this over here. Now actually sometimes we won't need these pliers, so even if you don't have it, you can just use your hand and make shape in it. Right now actually I have to use it. I'll just make it sharper right here. That I'll add the more sharp tip here. I actually sharpened the tip a lot right here. That'll be enough for it. Let me betterify this thing right here. We'll add some grip. I'll use the groove side right here. I'll do like this. It's actually hard because this plier doesn't have the spring right here, so I have to do everything with the thumb like this. So it's hard to actually use it. We'll do some more here, and yeah. So now we roll to the sides, and we are good. Okay. So I made the sword right here, but I can actually betterify the blade over here, the handle, and this thing looks good. I'm going to betterify the entire sword actually. Yeah guys, so now I'm going to do is I'm going to take these pliers right here, and I'm going to wait, let me just adjust right here. Like this stand shakes a lot, so please mind that. Okay, so what I have to do is I make it sharper here. Yes. Oh my god, the camera shook there a lot, sorry, because my stand is very bad, it's almost broken at the stage, so mind that. Yes, so so now I made the sword right here. Looks pretty decent in my opinion. I can actually make the blade better right here. Needs this line over here, and yeah, it looks pretty okay to me. Look, it's pretty stable also. Doesn't break bend. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and as always, peace.